Good day po teachers and other government employees. Welcome back po dito sa LearnPal kung saan po tayo nag-share ng latest DepEd news and updates and free learning resources. So teachers po, isi-share ko lang po itong update from Pag-ibig dahil nagbibigay daw po sila ng 1-month payment moratorium. So check po natin yung kanila pong details regarding po sa kanilang Pag-ibig Fund offers a 1-month payment moratorium. So, according po dito sa kanilang Facebook page, Pag-ibig Fund has offered a 1-month moratorium on housing loan payments to assist members affected by severe tropical storms Christine. At ito raw pong Pag-ibig housing loan borrowers residing or working in areas officially declared under a state of calamity may apply for the moratorium to help ease their financial burdens and redirect the resources may apply for the moratorium to help ease their financial burdens and redirect the resources toward urgent recovery needs. 1-month housing loan payment moratorium, qualified borrowers will have their monthly amortizations or installment payments temporarily suspended for 1 month without incurring penalties or additional interest. Loan terms will be extended accordingly with all other conditions including interest rates remaining unchanged. Eligible housing loan borrowers may file their applications until August 24, 2025, either online through the agency's virtual Pag-ibig platform or by visiting any Pag-ibig Fund branch. And take note that no processing fee will be charged. And other people na meron pong Pag-ibig account, no? And naapektuhan po ng bagyo. Christine, you can you can avail of this 1-month payment moratorium para po maibsan po yung ating burden, no? Dahil po sa nakaraang bagyo. So, yun lang po muna teachers and other government employees. I hope meron po kayo nakuhang information and don't forget po to subscribe and hit that notification bell para updated po tayo kung meron po tayo mga latest video. Yun lang po at maraming salamat.